Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is a Dahi Vada, also known as the Thair Vada. Dahi means curd and the vadas are the dumplings which you put in the curd. Now before moving on, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So let's move on to the recipe. For that I've taken 1 cup of dal, that's the urad dal. Pour water and soak it for 2 to 3 hours. And after 2 to 3 hours, give it a rinse 2 to 3 times until the water is clear. Drain it, and now this you'll need to grind it to a thick batter. Put them in the mixer jar, and you'll need to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Pour some water. I'll be pouring 1 cup of water, and you need to grind this to a thick batter, something like this. This is perfect. You just have to keep it for 5 minutes for resting. It'll thicken more. And in the meantime, next you'll need to keep a kadai. Pour some oil. Once the oil is hot, take small portions, and you need to make small dumplings, and make sure your flame is on medium. You need to turn it in between so that it gets cooked on both sides. And now you can take it out. Once it's become slightly golden in color, you can take it out and put it on a flat dish. Arrange it, and now we need to prepare the curd mixture, that's the dahi mixture. For that, take a pan. Once the pan is hot, put in 1 teaspoon of cumin, that's jeera, and 4 red chilies. I'll be making it mildly spiced. If you like it more spicy, you can add 1 or 2 more red chilies. Roast it for a minute. You'll need to put it on a plate or a flat surface to cool it. Now take a mixer jar. Add in curd. You have added around 1/2 kilo of curd, that's 500 ml of curd. And to this, you'll need to add the roasted cumin and red chilies with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and sugar, 3 teaspoons of sugar. You can add in more if you like it on the sweeter side, and if your curd is very sour, you can add in 2 teaspoons of more sugar to balance the taste. You need to grind it for 30 seconds, and now you need to pour this over the vada, that's the dumplings. Pour half first, and now you just have to give it a slight press so that it absorbs the curd. This is just optional to make it fast. If you leave it like that also, it will absorb, but if you don't have time, you can just give it a press. Now you need to pour the remaining curd over the vadas, and now your dahi vada is almost ready, and you can garnish it with chopped coriander leaves, some chaat masala powder. This is just optional. If you don't have, no problem. You can sprinkle some red chili powder for color, which gives it a good look. And now your dahi vada is ready. And to give in extra flavors to your dahi vada, I do this tempering or the tadka. For that, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil is hot. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it starts spluttering, add in red chilies. Along with it goes the curry leaves. Temper it and pour it over the dahi vada. This gives in extra flavor. Those who want to avoid it can avoid it completely. And your yummy dahi vada is ready. Cool it before serving. Enjoy it. It's a super soft and super yummy Dahi Vada. Do try it out and post your feedbacks in the comment section below. Those who are new to my channel and those who haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I come back with a new recipe, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.